Iftar. This is Shole, Mashhadi traditional food for my YouTube channel. This year, Iranian New Year, Nowruz, coincides with Ramadan, Islamic fasting month. So the city is being ready for both Ramadan and Nowruz. Workers are working everywhere to make the city beautiful and ready for pilgrims and passengers. I am invited to Iftar. Now I'm driving to my aunt's home. I'm invited to Iftar. Now is Ramadan, Muslims fast month. We are in hurry, but unfortunately we are stuck in the heavy traffic. This is Shole. درست میگم شله است دیگه. This is Shole, Mashhadi traditional food. And we add some قیمه on it. Okay, thank you. Now let's taste it. Not delicious, to be honest. Beautiful designs of cakes. Now this is our New Year sweet. We're about lots of sweet because we have so many guests for the New Year in our garden in beautiful bush. For my YouTube channel. باشه